Welcome to PC Error Detective, and in this video I will show you how to censor on Discord in a simple and easy way. I will show you how to censor words, messages, and images so other people cannot see content directly. First, the easiest method is spoiler tags. To censor a word or sentence, type it between two vertical bars on each side. For example, type 2 bars, your text, and 2 bars again. When you send it, the message will be blurred and people must click to reveal it. You can also highlight your text, right-click or tap it, and choose Mark as Spoiler. This does the same thing automatically. Next, you can censor images. Before sending a picture, click the small eye or spoiler option on the image preview. After sending, the image will be hidden and blurred until someone taps it. Now, let's talk about censoring using moderation tools. If you own a server or are a moderator, open server settings and go to Safety or AutoMod. Here you can add blocked words, phrases, or links. Discord will automatically delete or hold messages that contain them. You can also slow down chats with slow mode so messages cannot be spammed, which helps control content in busy channels. Remember, censoring is useful for spoilers, sensitive content, or strong language. Always respect your server rules and other people's comfort. And that is how you can easily censor on Discord using spoiler tags, image spoilers, and moderation tools. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.